It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on, YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. All right, in this video, we have a driveway cleaning that we need to do. Hey, you see that mark there? Look like a lizard, don't it? Yeah, I wasted a SH right there, but because we just got through washing this house. All right, like I said, we're gonna clean the lizard up right here, and we're gonna clean the rest of this area up here up with the surface cleaner. And also we're gonna come out to the curves and we're gonna get that clean up to the bushes right here. And then we're gonna go down here by my vehicle and get the sidewalk clean to those bushes, and then that'll be it. Let's go ahead and crank up the pressure washer. We're gonna go ahead and apply the SH and then let it dwell a little bit. So while the SH is working off, we're gonna do the curves. As you know, we don't use chemical in the streets or anything like that. So we're gonna get that clean. But first, let's go ahead and put the SH on here. Okay guys, we're gonna go a little stronger on here. We're gonna go 1.5 gallons to 3.5 gallons water. And I know it's gonna work because when I washed the house, this was 3% when I exjetted. When it came down, you see that came a lot lighter than what that is. So I know this percent that I got right here. So let's see. I said it's gonna be a little bit closer to 4. We're gonna go ahead and get this applied onto the concrete, let it dwell, and we're gonna continue on with the curves. While that's dwelling, let's go ahead and hit the curves. got that kind of cut in. I got to finish that up there. So that started doing. I did a cut in right here because I'm finna back my truck up right here so I can do that area over there. But as you can see, that black is turning brown. That's what you want to see. So when you see your so when you see the mold on the concrete turns from black to brown, that means you have a good mix. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna come around the sides and stuff because there's a lot of mud coming out. So in order to stop that mud from getting on concrete, we're just gonna do a cut in and then work our way around. is, it's time for me to replace the tips on my surface cleaner. I have to replace the tips because water pressure is going to wear the stuff down. So I'm going to get some more tips for the surface cleaner, and hopefully that'll help the line situation go away. But I did a post treatment on this part over here. It's starting to dry. And notice you have no lines, no lines, no lines. Now, no lines here, but we have it here, so we'll go ahead and do a post treatment over there. Go ahead and get y'all set up so y'all can watch me do it. And I am going to use the pump spray. So, here we go. Okay guys, I got the post treatment done. Gotta let that dry. You'll see the lines disappear as it dries and stuff like that. But let's take a look at the curve. or the sidewalk, the gutter, whatever y'all want to call this. If you look at it, this is white now. Way cleaner than what it used to be right there. So again, that's how it looked before, and this is the after. That's what you want when you clean it. And like I said, I didn't use any kind of chemicals on this because it's in the street. Only thing I did was just took my time and make sure I did a good job with the wand and the surface cleaner. So go all the way down there to this end, and it's clean also, still wet, but clean. The driveway is a little bit wet right here. Well, it's still wet. So if you see in the lines, it's gonna start disappearing and stuff like that. And this portion up here, it's starting to dry. The lines are gone. And basically what I did this portion right here, and then I went back and did a post-treatment with the pump sprayer. And while that was drying and everything, I was letting the phone charge up so I can go ahead and show you this part right here. So I got all this done on tape. So I hope that you enjoyed watching me doing this part. All right, Aqueminites, that's going to do it for this video. Hey, I hope that you learned something from it. If not, at least I hope that you found it entertaining. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, thank you for being a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, if not, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video will come out. Hey, and while you're at it, leave a comment. Also, hit that like button. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquemini.